Hi, welcome to 608 Fam. This is Phil's other half. So Phil's working on putting some decals on the Jeep. He reached out to Ultra4 and he is getting to run recovery at their races at the Badlands in Attica, Indiana next weekend. So I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you what he's been doing. So here he is, hard at work. We are in the garage, of course, and we are getting some vinyl put up on the Jeep.
With air bubbles.
We're doing our best.
Custom air bubbles.
Custom air bubbles. If we do your vinyl, air bubbles come with it free at no charge.
It's like concrete. 2 guarantees with concrete. It's going to get hard. It's going to crack. 1 guarantee with vinyl and me, you'll get air bubbles.
I also did my own air bubbles. So this is my business, Sugar Junkie Creations. So we're trying to just do some representations of our businesses. This is the other one. And we have a couple for the trailer as well, which we're not getting to today, but obviously within the next couple days, because we're hoping to leave Tuesday. And the Ultra4 races are Friday and Saturday. And if you've never been and you're close, you should definitely go and check them out. They are so cool. I don't know if he's ever showed you the inside, so I'm just going to show you the inside. Anyways, we'll be running recovery.
What do you mean? You don't know if I've ever shown the inside. Does that mean you're not watching my videos? Yes, I stopped squeezing air bubbles out to get you on that.
Okay. Anyways, so if you haven't been to the Ultra4 races, they're like buggies on steroids. They're like this times, I don't know, 4. They're huge and they're fast and they're super cool to watch. So Attica, Indiana, we'll be running recovery. We'll be out there Tuesday, probably leaving Sunday morning. If you see Phil, or now you know my face, come up and say hi. We'll be the ones in the crawler hauler, this truck, that camper, with this Jeep. And now it'll be a little more recognizable and show off all of his awesome fabrication work. All right, well, thanks for watching the video, and go do something cool in your garage.